Sup. Today we're playing Beast One with my little brother.
Hey!
Okay, he said hey, so whatever. So today, we're gonna do a video which is based on my little brother getting to level 10.
10?
Yes, he got to level 10. Showed him the secrets and stuff. Oh, by the way, and to buy some stuff.
I'm only going. Who had these?
I'll get the you get the moon charms.
Like these?
They're good. Oh, by the way, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe button, and turn on notifications so you can see every video. Yeah.
I never see the light speed.
Oh, it gives you moon charms. It's good. It increases the both by 250.
I'm talking about when I'm looking at this so close.
The fireflies. For request stuff, if you want, we can accept them. Maybe not. Who knows? But mostly we'll accept them. Mostly. So if you're wondering, like where are you guys and stuff? Oh, we're from Australia. So what? Where are you going?
I'm going to the shop.
Which one? There's two. There's two shops. You don't know.
Now you're next to it.
Oh, the number 10 one?
Yes.
Okay. What am I buying?
I cannot buy any.
Okay, I'm trying to go to the store, ones. The red. You should get 4 red bees. I'm trying to go there so I can buy
I cannot buy it. I can only buy the one.
Yeah. Talk. Jabba. I'm going over there. If you can see, it said HQ. I'm going over there so I can get the helper. Because I got 569,000 honey.
What is that green thing?
What? It's a mantis. I just looked over the screen. It's a mantis. He doesn't even know what a mantis is.
What is cheese beans?
Even though he started 1 week ago, he's got a legendary. He got a legendary ninja bee.
A ninja bee? And I think he's level 4.
Yeah, 5. I thought.
I don't know. Oh yeah, level 5.
Yeah. So I'm
you gonna go to?
Yes, I am. I'm trying to buy if it's a shop. I'm trying to buy oh my gosh, red guard. That's a lot.
I don't know why I'm not.
Honey. Oh my gosh, why would I go here in the first place at all? Jeez, no. It's so hard to do it. I'm going to my friend's birthday party day after tomorrow. So yeah, Saturday. No, not Saturday.
I think
Sunday. I'm going to my birthday. I'll record a video with them. Yeah, and yeah. Hope you like it.
What? I think tomorrow.
Tomorrow we're going. I'm gonna have basketball.
Yeah.
Whoa.
And I think no second. Is this second? Is this my second basketball?
No, you don't. You don't do it.
Oh,
we play basketball. That's why you do training.
Yeah, I do.
I do basketball. I do under 10.
You do game and training.
Yes,
I did do.
My brother does just training because he's under 8.
I got 50.
Comment below which video, which type of Roblox video should I do with my friends. As you know, my friend Anna, she's not coming back. He'll be a long time away, and yeah.
With his grandma and grandpa.
No, they left already. Jeez, stop talking nonsense. Last video I got the honey dipper, and finished the crest of the black bear, and that I got.
And Brian will be here for I don't know how many seconds.
Your container is full. Go.
I know.
So yeah, we're gonna do what was it? What was I talking about? Oh yeah, last video I got the honey dipper and stuff, and I got 8 more quests to get the diamond egg. That would be cool. It would be just a waste if I get if I get ninja bee, I will be happy, or diamond. Or if I get what was the other one? I forgot. It's really rare to get a rare bee out of a lucky bee, or a vent bee out of a basic bee. So really.
My ninja bee is 5.
Yeah, so
level 5.
Who cares? I'll go 4. Legendary is me. So yeah. By the way, subscribe to my friend's channel. We're gonna do Clash Royale videos after, and hope you enjoy it at the end. Yeah. I'm trying to finish this quest, but
I got 64
I'll go to my
honeys.
hive with my parachute down.
Oh, dude, is that a lag?
No, it's not a lag. Like, okay, fine.
Boy.
I need.
Wait, my honey's finished.
Yes, who cares?
Oh, yeah.
I can't believe I wasted my moon jobs.
So who's first?
Who cares?
In this leaderboard, boys. I don't know who.
Oh my god, this is so wrong. What the hell?
What is?
That's so wrong.
Can I?
Oh my gosh.
Oh, that's wrong.
That's so wrong.
Oh.
Like, he's gonna get banned. He's gonna... Okay, should I report him? I don't know. Okay, should I? Fine, I will. Should I report him it?
Tomorrow.
No, I'll do it right now.
Don't. Wait.
No, what was it?
He have a legendary. He have
Inappropriate.
He does. He got one legendary. That's all.
At B Swarm, he did, and in a
Wait, I got mech on me.
Picture of men bladder.
What is bladder?
We don't know.
Joy.
Yes.
Dang it! Wait, I need to go to level. I need to go to 10. I mean, 10.
Bro, Jelly, what am I doing?
I'm going to 10.
Who cares? Okay, bro.
Got music beat.
No, yes I do.
Yes.
Come on, please, like, no, please. I beg you. Oh, I hate you.
Did you got cold beat or
I
cool
don't
beat?
care. I already got them.
No.
I've got Bucko bee, but it's just sad. I thought it was cool bee, and I.
So now we're gonna
At least I
go
got the type.
buy. Can buy this.
Boom, 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 boom. Da, 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 da. Okay, what was it? Oh yeah. Come on, please get like some legendary or epic. I'm fine. I just got the look at me. What? Yeah, I got a look at
34.
me. Being sarcastic. Yeah, you know.
No, so that means I can buy
Oh, I hate my life.
this. I can look leaving.
It hurts, you know.
How many this? What the?
Okay, I'm gonna buy a helper, okay? Yeah, I'm gonna buy a helper. Yes,
What is a helper?
so helper is like whatever. Who cares? I don't know what to buy anyway.
I'm not in the shop.
I don't know what to buy. As you can see, like, I can buy that. There's many things I can buy.
I don't know what I'm gonna buy when I got more honeys.
Yeah, that's kind of good. I'll buy that.
But I don't know
Buy
what I'm
another
gonna
one.
buy. But I want to buy,
I'll buy that
a
one.
parachute.
Yes. Look at me. Look at my shoulders.
Wait,
You can't buy that. You'll lose.
I know. Where's your shoulders?
Look at me shoulders. See, I'm
yeah.
green and yellow. Correct. Oh,
No, it's
hopefully
green.
guys,
It's
you
green.
like this video. Hope you subscribe, hit the like button, notification, yeah. See you next video. Goodbye, everybody.